Nino kola. Kasajja. Nino kola. Nina shuka kwa hiyo kwani. Mtoaje kabela.
Sisi kale wanyoyaji.
Sabagala Paulo. Guchwalda bya gulu.
Nego kasajja gwe ngenda kukuba. Mama, komowa. Nenda bate, mujaji kulu. Nenda bate.
Ekisajja kisiibu.
Chichate. John, oleto omusirikale wano.
Wamanyira.
Alina kumanyira ki?
Oli
Oli musiru. Gwe afando yagala. Chona gambye ki?
Ugandales.
Anda list biki. Ono musajja yamanya akagamba afanye akawulira. Atonya tontwala takofira police. Takofira police. Ina kwa kokale kwa ifa mudabwe tukwata. Chezo ogeno. Nawe vako tolina buyinza. Tolina buyinza bunsikasika n'onkwata bwoti.
Tugende ku police. Ode busanga bagulopye gye guli mu file. Tugende.
Tugende ku police naye tolina kunsikasika bwoti. Tugende.
What has he done? That's my husband.
Sharon, go home. Gende waka nze nkomawo sirina musango. Ekyo kisajja ky'ekisirusiru.
What has he done? Please. Johnny. What did he say? Johnny. Johnny. Please, Johnny. What has he done? Huh? Johnny.
Nakwana n'ogaana mu n'ekisala kye kireeta olubuto kinywa ne walangi.
Of course, Nina.
Kiri embizzi.
Jesus, where is my husband? Say me, where is my husband? Afande, you brought here my husband. Where is he? I want my husband. My husband is innocent.
Your husband?
Yes.
I
want my husband. Afande.
Oyagala kuba afande?
My husband is innocent. I want my husband.
Which one is your husband?
I'm Poro's wife. This one has just brought him.
Oh,
I want my husband.
He's
Stupid. He's not stupid. He's not stupid.
Musiru.
He's innocent.
Okay, madam, first calm down. First make a statement.
I want my husband.
Mujeko statement, Afande.
What's your name?
I'm called Sharon.
Sharon. What's your husband's name?
Paul.
Paulo.
Yes.
Stupid guy.
He's not stupid.
Stupid. What happened?
Okay. Yesterday, he got misunderstandings with John.
Obuzibu buvaawa?
He heard that I was in John's house.
Doing what?
I had gone to visit John.
Visit John. Are you virgin?
I tell how can I be virgin when I have a son? And yet I'm even married.
Bawo chuka batamanyi kola wano.
Afande, my husband knows.
Kati chakula John. Hey. Chuka bansinga.
He's better than you.
Tugere tulabe.
You leave me.
Kati Afande, madamu nasokave kasao.
What is kasao?
Yes.
Sente.
No, you're moving.
Sente.
How much?
Just 350,000 only. Only that.
Mtola satu mwetano.
What?
Cash. We need it in cash so that we can do anything for you.
Jesus. I don't have all that money. I only have 100,000. Honestly, that's the truth.
John is rich. You have the money.
I don't have all that much.
Kale,
I only have 100,000.
Leta simu nakako. You want your husband back?
Yes, I want him.
Nekan.
That is working. But if you add up, what do we make?
15. Mtola satu.
Mtwala satu.
Yeah.
Kati wabula mitwala 5.
I want my husband. I don't have anything else I can offer. I don't have. I've told I only have 100,000. You've taken my phone. It's okay. I just only want my lives, please. I want my husband. The man is innocent. There's no need of you leaving him in the cell when the man is innocent. Please.
Okay, what you're going to do? You're going to release your husband in 2 days.
After my husband in 2 days. Why should he sleep there? The man is innocent.
Nawe tukuseyo.
Why?
Go.
Why should we let him sleep in cell?
Go.
My husband is
Nawe
innocent.
tukuseyo.
In 2 days you get your husband.
But I've been at the police station. You know those guys are cruel. They've taken the 350 from me. They've taken my phone and my bracelet. And they've told me they're going to release it in just only 2 days.
In 2 days?
Yes.
You mean that you went at the station?
I've been there. They have even told me that if I keep on disturbing them, they're going to also put me in prison with you.
Okay. So what you are going to do, you go and check in my notebook.
The blue one, eh?
Yeah, the blue notebook that I always use. There is General PO. You get that number, throw it immediately. Tell him that I'm in prison.
The blue notebook.
Exactly that one. You run. Do it very
I'm
fast.
going to.